So what is actually Ramp Corporate Card Reviews? But let me break it down for you. The Ramp Corporate Card is a business charge card made for companies that want a card plus expense management tools all in one platform. It's issued through the Ramp financial system and runs on the Visa network. Unlike a normal credit card, you must pay the full balance each month instead of carrying a balance like traditional credit. How it works is pretty practical. You get physical and virtual cards for your team, set spending limits, and track every purchase in real time. The platform can automatically collect receipts, sync with QuickBooks or Xero, and even flag suspicious purchases before they happen. A few big pros: it has no annual fee, no personal credit check or personal guarantee, and businesses can earn up to 1.5% cash back on eligible purchases. You also get strong spend controls and accounting integrations in one place. So far, pretty solid. On the downside, because it's a charge card, you can't carry a balance. If you can't pay in full each month, this isn't a good fit. Some users also find customer support and onboarding inconsistent, and the rewards rate can vary between businesses. Pricing as of 2026 is $0 annual fee for the standard Ramp corporate card. Ramp also offers a Ramp Plus plan at around $15 per user per month, with advanced expense controls, custom workflows, and priority support, and an enterprise plan with custom pricing. It's best for U.S. corporations and LLCs that run regular expenses, value tight control and real-time spend visibility, and always pay their bill off on time. If you want big travel perks, flexible credit, or a card that lets you carry a balance, a traditional business rewards card might be better. If you've tried Ramp or are thinking about it, let me know what you think below, and subscribe for more reviews.